Well, napakaganda ng topic natin, how to turn struggle into success. Sino ba dito ang walang struggle? Sabi nga nila, struggle is real. Hindi po ba? Totoo yan, lalo na sa buhay natin, right? Whatever career or business that pinili natin, and even in our lives, right? Struggle indeed is real. But then again, the question is, if a struggle is real, how can we turn this into success? Kasi, kumbaga, marami sa buhay natin, I mean, before we actually achieve a success in our lives, regardless of what the chosen path na pinili natin, dadaan tayo sa struggle. Pero, sabi nga, before we can actually achieve success, kailangan malampasan natin yung struggle. So, how can we do that? So, sa akin, in my life, what I did is, tatlong bagay lang yung aking tinatandaan. Number one, yung isip ko, yung mindset ko, napaka-importante. Yung pangalawa, yung puso ko, and then yung actions. Usually, how do I view? So, unahin natin yung mind. How do I view struggle? Before, syempre, nung mga kabataan, ay ayoko ng struggle. Sino wag gusto ng struggle, di ba? But then again, naisip ko at nakita ko na whether you're playing sports or whether sa studies yan, at lalo na nung sa larangan na ng career, meron at merong struggle eh. So sabi ko, imbis na ayawan ko siya, diba? Imbis na ayawan ko siya, why not I look at it in a different light or perspective? So I look at as my struggle now as a challenge, and as an opportunity. Opportunity either to grow and surpass, and I want to become a victor. Lalo na ngayong adult, ang sabi ko, I refuse to become a victim in a situation because I want to be victorious. So that made a lot of difference, at nakita ko yung mga struggle ko, yung mga, kumbaga nahihirapan ako, I am able to overcome better compared nung nire-resist ko siya. Kasi the more na tinatakbuhan natin yung struggle, the more na parang hinahabol tayo, di ba? So sabi ko, naku, ayoko na nga takbuhan. I'll deal with the situation as is, and let me see. Parang mas nadalian ako sa ganun kahit mahirap siya. Contradicting, no? What I meant is, it's better to face it, deal with it, rather than escape it. Because we do have a fight and flight
tendency. So,
when naging ganun na po yung mindset ko, I view every situation or struggle, pag mahirap na, ina-acknowledge ko, okay, this is an opportunity or challenge for me to deal with. Now, once na ganun ang pag-iisip ko, ang kasunod ko na is yung puso ko. Kasi lagi sa akin magkadikit eh. Sa atin naman yan, I believe so. So, mas madali ko na siyang natatanggap na, okay, I will be facing this opportunity. I look at it from my mind positively, at madali na rin na-accept ng puso ko, ng emotion ka na to deal with this positively then. Kasi usually, pag negative ang thinking, negative din ang feeling. At syempre, kasunod na yung action. So, it was so easy na ang action ko ay positive na rin. It's simply because nagsimula siya sa mind, kasunod na ang puso, and then yung action. Let us just say, it could be a struggle sa trabaho, sa business, at lalo na ngayon, adjusting into the pandemic. How did I excel in spite of and despite of doon halimbawa sa workplace, and even nakapag-establish ako ng business ko ngayong pandemic? It was because inisip ko na lang na, yun na, struggle is real, and I will take a look at this as challenges na alam mo, yung ma-overcome ko, and later on, I will be able to share like what I'm doing right now sa inyo na, uy, nalampasan ko siya. Pero hindi ibig sabihin madali. And I think adjusting to the new normal, it was not easy for us like coaches. We will be shifting talaga sa platform. Those that we were using before, na less technology before, ngayon kailangan talaga na mag-shift eh, kasi adjusting to the new normal from the companies and to our own companies and businesses. Ngayon, mahirap. Nung una, kumbaga kasi madaming mga technology, lalo ko na kung hindi technical savvy, parang ang hirap. But you know, sabi ko nga, sige, I'll take this as an opportunity, learn from the experts like kay Coach JB. You know, I attended his course, and at the same time, I learned a lot, and then we kept talking. If I have some struggles, you know, I ask. And from there, maganda kasi talaga yung yung mindset. Tapos ngayon ako, I'm ready. Kung merong mga struggle, hindi ko sinasabing hindi ako nahihirapan. I do struggle and nahihirapan, but it just so happened the mindset and then yung emotion, I choose I choose to be positive about it, regardless of how we feel about it. And then, of course, the action will be success. Pero it's a process, everyone, ha? You cannot take it, kumbaga, hindi mo siya makukuha in one blink of an eye or one snap of a finger. So everyone, so that's it for me. For you to turn your struggle into success, please remember 3 things. So unang-una is how our mind is. So positive mindset. Number 2 for me is, of course, yung ating feelings. We should be choosing, okay, to be positive. At kapag nakakaramdam tayo ng negative, choose to be positive. And last but not the least is, of course, choose the action that will definitely help you in achieving that success.